Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a professional-grade product that's perfect for those into the art of permanent makeup. We're talking about the Perma Blend Carla Ricciardone Embody set, a microblading lip blushing kit designed specifically for cool and dark-toned lips. It comes with 8 pigments, each 0.5 fel aughts, and is 100% vegan and cruelty-free. If you're into microblading or lip blush artistry, this could be a game changer for you. Let's explore how it holds up. This set features a collection of 8 high-quality pigments, each designed to seamlessly blend with the natural tissue of cool and dark-toned lips. These pigments are crafted for precision, providing a natural neutralizing effect that creates beautiful, long-lasting lip color. The formula used by Perma Blend is known for its consistency, and these pigments are no exception. Whether you're working with microblading techniques or lip blush, the color saturation and the pigment quality are top-notch. The pigments in this kit are made with high-density loads to ensure expert-level results with minimal color changes over time. They're designed to heal true to color, so you can expect the pigment to remain vibrant and true to its shade post-healing. These products are gamma-sterilized, meeting the highest health and safety standards, which is a huge plus when it comes to skin safety. In terms of application, the set is straightforward to use for professionals, especially those familiar with permanent makeup techniques. The consistency of the ink makes it easy to apply, and the pigments glide smoothly onto the skin, providing an even, uniform finish. I tested the pigments on various lip tones, and the blending was seamless with no patchiness. The colors provide just the right amount of neutralization without being too overpowering, which is critical for achieving that natural, healed look. However, keep in mind that this product is really designed for those with a professional understanding of tattooing or microblading. If you're new to lip blushing or permanent makeup, the application process might take a little getting used to, especially since the results are long-lasting and require precision. Let's break it down further. The pros of this set are clear. The pigments are rich and true to color, and they provide a flawless finish that doesn't fade or change dramatically during the healing process. The high-quality, vegan, and cruelty-free formula gives it an edge over other permanent makeup products that may not prioritize ethical standards. The set also includes a variety of shades, making it versatile for different lip tones, with the ability to create customized looks for clients. On the flip side, the primary con would be that this is a professional-grade product, so it's not ideal for beginners. Also, the price point could be a little high for those just starting out in the business, or those who don't need all 8 shades. It's a bit of an investment for a product that might only be useful in certain settings or for specific techniques. Now, is this product worth the price? Given its performance, quality, and safety standards, it offers good value, especially for professional tattoo artists and beauty experts who need reliable, long-lasting results. For those who are more casual or beginner level, there might be more affordable alternatives that cater better to less experienced users. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, there are some solid brands out there offering similar quality pigments for lip blush and microblading. However, if you're after a top-tier product that delivers excellent results and adheres to high safety standards, the Perma Blend Carla Ricciardone Embody set is a solid investment. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple but effective. Each pigment comes in a 0.5 fel bottle, making it easy to store and apply without wastage. The ink is tightly sealed to avoid leaks, and the bottles are designed to be easy to dispense for precise application. I didn't experience any issues with the product's longevity. The pigments maintain their integrity during storage and use. Customer support from Perma Blend is known to be responsive and helpful should you have any questions or need assistance. Although I didn't have to reach out personally, their reputation for addressing customer concerns and providing guidance is solid. For a final verdict, if you're a professional in the permanent makeup space, the Perma Blend Carla Ricciardone Embody set is an excellent choice. The pigments offer exceptional performance, are safe for the skin, and heal true to color, making them a standout option for lip blush and microblading. However, if you're just getting into the industry or on a tighter budget, there are alternatives worth considering that might offer more affordable options for beginners. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.